Father Benny TNT is a dedicated Catholic priest with a rich and diverse ministry spanning several years. Born on September 12, 1973, he was ordained on January 1, 2000 and has since devoted himself to serving the Church. Father Benny was born to Joseph and Mary and has two brothers, Jose and Johnson, and one sister, Gracie. He hails from Purikol. He studied at St. Mary's LP School and St. Luke's UP School, both in Purikol, for his primary education. For high school, he studied at St. Michael's High School in Kaduturthi. He completed his minor seminary at Deepthi Bhavan, Melampara. Father Benny pursued his philosophical studies at Ruhalya in Ujjain and his theological studies at St. Ephraim's in Satna. Father Benny is well educated, having earned a Bachelor of Arts, a Master's in English, and a Bachelor of Education. Additionally, he has attended specialized courses such as the Seminary Formators course at the Sacerdotes Institute in Rome and the Priestly Renewal course in the Holy Land. Throughout his years of pastoral service, Father Benny has served in various roles in the Archdiocese. His early years included working as assistant parish priest at Immaculate Conception Church, Dombivli, and St. Joseph's Church, Powai. He then went on to serve in multiple parishes, including St. Joseph the Worker in Jerimeri, Holy Cross in Kurla Old, and Fatima Mata in Kirol, among others. He has also held leadership positions such as Rector of St. Alphonsa Shrine in Kalewadi and Foreign Vicar in Pune and Malad. From 2020 to June 2023, he served as parish priest at St. Joseph's Foreign Church in Powai and continued as Foreign Vicar of Powai Foreign. Currently, Father Benny is engaged in pastoral service at the Syro-Malabar Catholic Eparchy of Mississauga, Canada. In addition to his pastoral work, Father Benny has been actively involved in organizational ministries within the diocese. His leadership roles include directing programs such as Altar Angels, Christi, and Family Apostolate. He has also served as Vice Chancellor of Kalyan Diocese, Manager of St. Alphonsa High School, and Director of the Bible Apostolate, among other responsibilities. Over the years, he has contributed significantly to the diocese's educational and developmental initiatives, such as serving as a member of the Diocesan Finance Council and the Education Committee. His administrative skills were further highlighted by his role as property in charge and as the coordinator of the Developmental Project Committee. Father Benny's personal talents extend beyond pastoral work. He is an accomplished writer, having edited 2 books, a storybook and a poetry collection, and authored numerous articles for various periodicals. His strong administrative and pastoral skills have earned him recognition, with many describing him as both an effective leader and a compassionate pastor. His contribution to the Church's mission is a testament to his lifelong commitment to service, education, and spiritual growth.